when you do some research, if you look at Certainteed, and I've been doing research for a long time with Certainteed, their parent company is Saint Gobain, which is 350 years old, and that's correct, 350. Older, they were a company prior to the United States being the United States of America. Now, Certainteed is the new kid on the block at Saint Gobain. They're over 100 years old. So one of the things that when I was doing this is my 22nd year, and our 22nd year, Kuziak Construction. And when you first start out, you're kind of learning about products and you're learning about manufacturers. And when you first start out, you're trying to maybe bring the job in at the cheapest because you're learning and you're getting your footing. And as I started doing more and more research, I realized that it's most important to give a quality product and a quality job to your customer. And the more and more research that we did, we decided to go with Certainteed. We've been with them for 21 years. It should complement your home. When you pull in a driveway, you want it to complement your home. So they have a great selection of colors. They have a great selection of styles. As we like to do, just like in the Olympics, we like to go gold, silver, and bronze. All three of those are great products. And we have different price points and different products that we can put on that will complement your home.
Where can they get more information about what we're talking about right now?
Obviously, our site, KuziakConstruction.com. It's always good to go ahead and do some of that legwork prior to giving us a call. And as customers, have a list of questions ready for us when they come on out. We love answering those questions. We love working with customers that have taken some time and have done a little bit of research. We find that we align ourselves, Kuziak Construction's aligned with customers that are enthusiastic about the project that they're doing. They've done some research, and if not, we're there for you. We're the ones that brings that information. We can. Projects are just as much about education and answering questions as it is about hammering nails.
Yeah, visiting people on the job site gives us the first-hand knowledge to see what their particular needs and the condition of their building. But also, it's really nice that we have a remodeling planning center where they can look at larger samples and see different products put together, so that you're not just picking a roof, but you can look at siding and doors and windows and other products that we do as well.
I said earlier that the business changes, and people used to call these things showrooms, and people would come in, and now we have a planning center, because it's much more than just looking at materials. You need to plan your project. Many times a project may be 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Yeah, I'm a homeowner as well, and you start from the top. We start with the roof, and we have customers where we said, okay, we're doing the roof, and we know in a couple of years there's going to be money in the budget for your face softening gutters, then maybe your siding, then your windows. So understanding that and planning it out, we can have you in and show you all the information, show you the actual product that we're putting on, and then we have all the proper literature that can answer any questions, or we can give to you where you can go home and do a little bit of homework and do some of that soul searching of what you want your home to look like. And we're real excited when people come by. We've invested at Kuziak Construction in our planning center, and we love people to come by at any time. And again, that's 1235 Summer Street at Kuziak Construction, and we'd love to have you up and see our planning center.